Here are the solutions to recover unsaved or deleted Keynote file. Your Keynote file may be left unsaved after a crash or for other reasons. We can use AutoSave feature from macOS. What is AutoSave? It is a part of macOS, helping users to autosave their files during the processing. No matter you are dealing with the files in Keynote, Pages, Numbers, Preview or others. Go to the Keynote AutoSave location. Find the Keynote file, and open with Keynote for saving. If AutoSave fails, you can try to find the unsaved Keynote file in temporary folder. Open Terminal application and input the command line, go to the temporary folder and recover your files. To recover a deleted or lost Keynote file, there is no shortcut but to use a professional data recovery program. Like Cisdem, it is a Mac data recovery program to recover more than 200 types of files from both internal and external hard drive. It is easy to use. Choose a recovery mode. Here we select Trash Recovery. Choose the file location and click Scan. All the found files will be listed in different folders. You can also preview the files before recovery. Once you have found the lost Keynote files, go to Key folder, select the Keynote files, stop the scanning process, and click Recover button to restore the deleted Keynote file on Mac.